this is Celine from Bluedot team. You might remember our previous demos where we introduced some of our special features. Today, we have something new. Adding drivers to your fleet management platform can be time-consuming, going one by one, hour after hour. Well, there's a better way. We're today introducing our bulk adding tool for drivers, a feature designed with fleet managers in mind. Instead of manual grind, you can now upload all the driver data in a single step, be it through Excel or CSV. Now, let's dive into a demo and see this feature in action. So when we want to add our drivers, we simply go to our driver page, then click on Add Driver. And today we want to add our drivers in bulk. You can download our template to add information easily, and I have used that today. And that's it. We just added our drivers. So if you want to see this live demo in action, please feel free to reach out us. You can reach out us through LinkedIn or directly through our website. Thank you.